That's me.
For Jaden?
Oh, perfect.
Perfect. Thank
It's
you.
a Corolla Cross, not a Corolla.
Cool. Thank you, Angel.
For Jaden, right?
Yes, sir. How are you?
Doing well. How about you guys?
I'm good. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you
So-
came early.
Quick question.
Are we on live?
Yeah, you
Oh, TikTok live or YouTube?
YouTube live. You guys
Oh,
want to
this
be
is
on the
How
live?
many people?
60.
That's actually 70. It's 70 now.
Yeah, just because you
That's
guys
so
hopped
cool.
in. Yeah.
That's
it-
so cool.
Is it cool we keep the stream on?
Totally.
All
yeah.
right, let's do it.
I love
Jaden
that.
and
Roberto.
Roberto.
If you can say it like that.
Roberto.
No. Say it. Roberto.
Close
I give
enough.
up. I
Close
give
enough.
Where are you from?
up. From Vietnam.
Vietnam? That's so cool.
We don't roll the R's in our language, so we can say the regular R, but we can't roll it. You know.
That's okay.
Or we don't roll it. You know.
How's your night going?
It's good. How about you guys?
Good. Do you have a
Nice.
lot of rides tonight?
Yeah, it's been somewhat busy. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do they say? What are the
Yeah,
people
I know.
saying?
I'm like
what are
trying
the people
to
saying?
see.
All right, you guys want to see the comments?
I do.
Yeah.
All right. I'll give you the phone. How about
Okay, let's see. We'll talk to them. Let's see.
Yeah.
For sure.
Somebody needs milk. Karina needs milk.
Milk?
No milk. What's up,
are they
everyone?
saying?
Florida.
Hello, Jaden.
What's up, Stazzy? Behave, guys. Oh, Karina, ¿cómo estás? This is the first time I've been on a Uber with a live. Honestly, this is dope.
Hey, what's good, playa?
You getting some play tonight? Am I getting some play tonight, Jaden? I'm kidding. No, probably not.
Who said that?
The homie Gigi.
GG.
It's okay though. It's not till marriage.
Yeah,
You gotta wait
Yeah.
till marriage.
something like that.
Fuck nah, he ain't. Damn, you exposed my
Damn.
ass. Take your big nerd glasses. Damn.
Y'all are some haters. Let me see this.
We need Jaden on the phone.
Yeah, Jaden.
They're a lot nicer.
Hi. OMG.
Turn on the light.
She getting tacos? I'm not getting tacos. What's it?
'Cause
Is that
Mexican.
slang? So you're racist.
No, tacos are good. You can't be racist towards
Wait.
Mexicans, is what I realized. You can say anything you want. I'd just laugh.
Hello, Jaden.
Nothing
Hi.
wrong with the glass. Thank you.
Baddie. Ooh. Thank you. AWOL. No, GG got
That's what I'm
lucky.
trying to. Wait, who are you with tonight? Is what I'm trying to ask. Hold
Win, Baddie.
on. Hold on.
We are just a little.
This homie's probably
Maybe.
sleeping on his own by himself
Why are y'all
There's
so
a lot of trolls
mean?
and haters.
most of the time.
Lots of trolls and haters up in there.
Oh, 100%. It's
Yeah,
okay though.
you
Hey,
said it.
haters are my motivators.
Exactly.
What color are your eyes? I think they're blue. I don't know. They're kind of green. They're kind of a little bit of both. This is so fun.
Yeah, I love talking to you. Even if they're hating, I don't give
I
a fuck. Hey,
know.
listen, I love you guys, okay?
He
Hope you had a
loves
good
guys.
weekend. I'm from Kansas City. I love Denver. I don't know how many people are from Denver that are watching, but
She's
Where you
too
from, Jaden?
cute. I live here. I'm from Nebraska.
Nebraska.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm from Nebraska, but I've been here for like 10 years.
All right. Semi-native.
I'm an adopted native.
hey, GG, I love you. Thank you. I appreciate that.
They love us, no?
Oh,
Got a
okay.
family in Kansas?
I love Kansas.
Nebraska.
Go Chiefs. I know they're in Missouri, but go Chiefs.
Go Broncos.
Fuck the Broncos. I'm sorry, but can't
They
do
did
that.
lose today.
Yeah, we lost to the Chiefs.
Are we on a date, Jaden?
Are we on a date? I would call it a date. No.
Hey, she said I had to ask the woman because I'm not gonna call it.
I would call it a date. You smoke tree? Nope.
Yes.
Not
He does.
everybody has smoke.
420 friendly.
Okay, guys,
Hey.
kiss now.
Gotta go.
Oh, gotta go.
Gotta go.
Gotta go. Thank
appreciate you, bro.
Have a good night.
Appreciate you so much.
Thanks, Jaden.
I'm
Thanks
gonna
for
go
streaming
this
with us.
way. Bye.